our churches. But the fact that we are here today speaks to the truth that it has happened and needs to be addressed. Churches are supposed to be safe places. When abuse happens in the church, it impacts the way we see God. It can affect the way we progress in our faith journey. Commitment to safe sanctuaries is a step toward preventing it from happening in our churches and ministries. As a response to the number of lawsuits against churches, example, the Catholic Church, abuse allegations in 1996, the United Methodist Church General Conference made a resolution that every annual conference shall have a safe sanctuary policy and guidelines. In 1998, Reverend Dr. Joy Melvin wrote, Safe Sanctuaries, published by the General Board of Discipleship. It informs of the best practices that we use today. Other safe sanctuary pieces have been written by her as well. 2007, our annual conference made the resolution that all churches in South Carolina annual conference shall have a safe sanctuary policy and guidelines to be trained. We are now living into the new way with more and more churches having policies and being trained. The Boy Scouts of America lawsuit impacted the United Methodist Church due to the large number of Boy Scout troops using our facilities. As a part of the agreement in the lawsuit, the United Methodist Church agreed that it will have all United Methodist churches' policies reviewed and churches will be trained to them. Yes, it has been mandated, but it is also the right thing to do. And I will say that I do have copies, I believe, of everyone's safe sanctuary policies. I was going to bring my book today, but in the process of moving, it's still packed down somewhere, so I couldn't find it. But I will say that I know the majority of churches have sent in their safe sanctuary policies. And so if you are interested in having your church trained to your policy, that can happen.